Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can add a new row or add a new detail in the existing project created in a workspace. So to go to the workspace, go to miscellaneous, click on workspace. Here you will be able to see the projects folder under select the particular project on which you want to enter the details. Let's suppose here we enter the workspace. Now here under action, click on the add row. Here you have all the input fields. Enter the values, whatever values you want to enter. Select any particular date you want to enter in the here. Once all the values are entered, just click on the save and a new row or detail will be added in the particular workspace. So this is how a user can enter our details in a workspace. Thank you.